close to me because it's chilling in the seat right now, but we're gonna do a haul of what I got at Target. So first that we have is a coffee. This is like a reward. You go to Target and then you get yourself a reward. And I actually really like the girl's handwriting. It's actually like super cute. So these right here, I've been looking for these since December, and every single time I come to Target, they do not have them. And today I was like, let me just go check. Like, they probably don't have them, but hopefully they do. They did, girl. And then I got this mouthwash. I'm out of this mouthwash. I actually got the big container. This was $16. Like, why? And then I basically went to Target because Chanel has allergies. Her eyes have been like really bad, so I had to get her these little like allergy medicine. And then I had to get hair dye because I was out. This is the one that I use. Please do not use it because I do not want it to sell out. There was one time where I like told a bunch of people and then I could not find it for a while. So please don't sell this out, like get a different color. But the last thing that I got is this little like table. My mom saw it. It's actually like an egg holder. Oh no, mini dessert stand. The cashier thought it was an egg holder. Like you put your egg in there, but I'm gonna get it for like my mini cakes because my mini cakes are small and they're about this size. So it's so cute. And my mom's a fraud and she put these little chocolates in my basket so I can buy them for her. In the morning. I went to bed last night at 2:30 a.m. Got up today at 6:30. Came to my friend Anna's house at 7:30 in the morning. It is now 9 o'clock. I'm in bed right now. I'm waiting for her to get out of the shower so then I can shower. She wanted me to do Sunday fun day with her, which I guess is basically just have a fun day on Sunday and like go to the bars, which I'm not a bar person. I'm not a drinker and I'm not like a go see people type of person. So it's gonna be really interesting for me. I'm also tired. I'm really tired and like her bed's so comfortable that I just want to go. I told her she's gonna get out of the shower and she's gonna find me literally passed out. But yeah, I'm gonna update you guys on the day and I'm gonna vlog because it's gonna be fun. I also brought like a literally 60-pound suitcase to her house. I'm literally staying for one day and I brought a 60-pound suitcase, so.
What are you like that's mine, that's yours. We're trying to drunk, yo. We're drinking to die. Thank you. Are we making it? Yeah. Are we doing it for that? Oh. Bitch, this was a lot, okay? I'm not a chugger.
This is my new friend.
What?
Hey.
Introduce
introduce yourself.
Hey, bitches.
This is my other friend too.
Sorry, hi.
Cute. Arby's because this is me and Anna's favorite thing to do. Comment down below, are you guys like team Arby's or are you guys like a hater? We're also gonna watch this show, and then we also got some 7-Eleven snacks. Update, we got more food. We got Maggiano's, we have breadsticks, fettuccine alfredo, we got some meatballs, and then some fried mozzarella. I'm literally so excited. Test. This is what they look like. I just dropped it. I have some ranch and buffalo sauce. That's what the inside looks like. Buffalo chicken. Let's try it. I'm dip it in the ranch. I made so many. They're so good. That's it on my life. So right now I'm making some press-on nails for myself. Right now these are press-ons because I didn't feel like doing an acrylics, and I want to start changing my nails like literally weekly, and it's kind of hard with acrylics, you know. So I bought these little stands from Amazon. I made an Amazon storefront as well, so I'll have that like linked in the description box down below. It'll be under my nail category, but I bought these little stands, and then I'm just using these little press-ons that I have, and I'm going to make my own press-ons. So basically I've been watching Gilmore Girls, and I've been making press-on nails because I got some press-on nails. I've decided I kind of like press-on nails better than acrylics right now, so I made these ones last night, then I made these 3 today. I made those 2 last night, and then I made that one today, this one today, and that one today. So these are, I think that these ones are too long, so I don't really like them, but yeah.